screencast of the mail project. Right, as you can see, this project is hosted on my local host, right? And what you are seeing here is the mail inbox of a user called Sandra. The title of the mailbox is actually highlighted, in this case inbox, and all the emails of the user are actually listed here in a separate div. So yes, what you can see on each of the divs are the subject, the sender of the email, the subject of the email, the timestamp in which the email was sent, and I've added an additional feature here that allows to actually archive an email of the user. Quickly, let's go to sending an email. So we'll express the features of actually sending an email. In this case, I'm sending a fresh email. You can see the from, and I put this who I'm sending the email to. In this case, I'm sending it to Dan. Okay, I can send it to multiple people. I just pick those multiple people, right? And yeah, and so the next thing I do here is I'll send it to 2 users. I say, welcome, my people, right? Just saying welcome. So in this case, I just send that email to them. So once I click on the send button, as you can see that it loads my sent mailbox, and you can see that email here, welcome, my people. Same thing, I can click on it, I can see the details of the people that I had sent that email to and when I send that email. Right, let's go back to my inbox page. So on my inbox page, we'll be displaying a couple of features. The key part of the features we want to display here is the possibility of the read feature if an email is read. So as you can see, the emails are distinguished using different colors. For the darker colors, the darker grays, you can see that those are emails that have been read, whereas the email with the lighter background is actually the one that is yet to be read. So for example, screencast presentation email from Chris is yet to be read. Now, how do I read it? If I click on this, it shows me the view mail page, and I can see the details of the email. And then if I go back to home page, what happens? That email changes the background to a gray color, which shows that it has been read. Now, I'll also use this opportunity to go back and just give details around the view email page. So in this case, as you can see, I can see the from, I can see who this email is being sent to, and then you can also see the subject of the email, you can see the timestamp, and then you can see the body of the email. I also have the reply button and the archive button for this email, right? And so now, what if I want to reply an email that was sent to me? In this case, I want to respond to this email. So I click on the reply. Now, once I click on the reply, it does a pre-filling of the details of this email. In this case, it pre-fills the to, it pre-fills the subject of the email, and adds the subtext to the subject of the email, and it also pre-fills the body of the email. So I can just keep space and say acknowledge, right? And then I can send that email. So once I click and send the email, it still brings me to my sent mailbox. So that's it about being able to send an email and also reply to an email. Another thing is I have the screencast presentation trial email. What if I want to archive it? I can simply click on this button, and as you can see, it archives that email. If I go to my archive page, you see that email is here and it has been archived, right? What happens if I want to unarchive an email? For example, this email from Dan, I would want to unarchive it. Now I am on the archive mailbox. So what if I want to unarchive that email? I just click on this button. It takes me to the inbox and shows me that email that has been unarchived, right? I still can archive that email again. I also have an option to archive an email from the view page here. I can just click on this button and it archives that email. As you can see, it brings me here. Then I can go back to my inbox and you can see that email has been archived. So that's archiving and unarchiving email. I've also shown reply email. I've also shown the feature to view the details of the email. I've also shown the feature to send an email, and also the mailbox itself, the read feature, and so on and so forth. Thank you for watching this screencast. Hope you enjoyed it.